Here's interesting app BFF, Find My Friends and Phone. So yeah, it starts to climb in the top charts in the US App Store. So let's just open it up. And yeah, here you can see how it works. So this app is basically like a live social map. I've heard that Zenly app either is not available anymore or there are some issues with Zenly app. So therefore, a lot of people try to find the replacement for this app. So yeah, going on a road trip with friends, have a house party to attend, check out your friend's real-time location and battery percentages. You can use also online messages, phone tracker, never lose your phone again, designed with privacy, invite only friends list, and all of that. So yeah, of course there is like a Snapchat map, there is Zenly app, there is Live 360 app, but yeah, this feature is quite popular and some people actually like it with to have like their family or close friends or where you are partying or hanging out together, just to have this list of people together. So yeah, you just create an account, then you can add friends here by BFF ID, scanning profile card, by email, phone number, by contacts, by shaking phone, so invite your friends. Then there are all these settings, but basically yeah, you can just tap on your account, you can see your percentage, whether you are online, you can message, you can see your chats, you can yes, then search for friends here. Then you can just go to the website and share it. Then here you see your list, when you can change your BFF ID and change your username. Then you can see your current status. You can add friends here. So yeah, that's what you can do. Yeah, in case you want to delete your account, just go to account and go to preferences, and then you can just tap delete account. So that's as well what you can try it out. You can change theme. All you can do is for free. This app is still in development. There are multiple apps like this these days because everyone's just trying to replace Zenly app. So that's basically the idea at the moment. Hopefully it's it's gonna get better soon, and yeah, more people will join. Also, there aren't that many users, I guess, in Europe or somewhere else. Like mostly it's used in the United States. So there you have it. Hope it was helpful.